Alright, start laying down here, stars as it were. You can do movement up and down these arcs, maybe have a person sit up and the people do something. Move here, setting up. The melody is in a flag here. With supporting dancers, you can spread this out as you want. This just adds on. Now there's 3 flags. I'm gonna give you my heart. Same idea down here. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Flags stay in the focus as the dancers unwind out. These are the 4 featured dancers. If you want to text me and change these 4 dancers, you can. Madison's in here, who's one of the rifles. But they're kind of the featured flags, and dancers here are the focus. These can be supporting. Then these flags add in. This becomes more of a pose situation. Need to get out of the way. Dancers become the focus moving in. Amber and Ashley can kind of lead the way here for these rifles. That should kind of wind in. Rifles take the focus there. Big hold here in this long phrase. If you want to, you can move the dancers back and forth or the flags forward and back to kind of create some texture change here, but just wanted to give you a long time here with the 3 groups to spin. Madison and Jaslyn are here, and they are moving to rifle, so they'll pick up rifle right here. And that gets them back on the right equipment here. You've got the dancers here, flags here. And this is where I stopped right here for a hold, but we'll get more as we go. So there you go.